She said nobody has to know, but I've got to let her go. So I have to walk on by. She can't be my lover. She been a crazy brown eyes. She can't be my lover. Cause the dream lost on the other side. All I say is hi. She can't be my lover. Listen one now. Listen one now. Listen right now. Listen right now. Every time she hears the beat, she's been dancing right in front of me, try to lure me in between the sheets. I'm a man, but I still got weak. I'll be damned if I lose my girl. I'll be damned if I don't touch her. Curiosity is killed to that. No, I don't want that. I'm over and over and over again. I try to tell her no, 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 I already have a friend. Over and over, she's reeling me in. She said nobody has to know, but I've got to let her go. Say I have to walk on by. She can't be my lover.